Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Discover Financial easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Discover Financial, visit the Discover website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Register to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. Discover offers various budgeting features to help you manage your finances. Start by reviewing your recent transactions. This will give you insight into where your money is going. Next, categorize your expenses. You can group them into categories like groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Adjust these categories if needed to fit your spending habits better. After categorizing, set spending goals for each category. Choose realistic limits based on your previous spending patterns. The tool will help you track your progress against these goals. Now, explore the budgeting dashboard. This visual tool will show you how much you've spent compared to your budget. If you notice you're exceeding a limit, consider adjusting your spending in that category. Next, take advantage of the alerts feature. Set up alerts for when you approach or exceed your budget limits. This will keep you informed and help you stay on track. Regularly review your budget. At the end of each month, analyze your spending and adjust your budget as necessary. Consider saving a portion of your income as part of your budget plan. Discover has tools that allow you to set aside savings easily. Utilize the mobile app for budgeting on the go. You can check your budget and make adjustments anytime. Lastly, stay consistent. Review your budgeting progress weekly for the best results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.